Yeah, hi. Okay, Matthew. I actually had to take the LED lights out because the resistor was getting too hot and thought it was going to melt something. So go ahead, Matthew. Oh! Oh, that thing has too much power for you. Bring it out of the bathroom. Go ahead, Matthew. Uh-oh. Here, let's take it downstairs. Want to take it downstairs?
No.
No? Come on, we gotta hurry up and change it too. There you go. Yeah, how can you know where it's at if you don't see it? No, come out of here. Come out in the main area. He slipped and fell. Go. Woo! Turn. Turn. Use the other one. Yeah, you. All right. Well, say bye.
Bye.
You gonna wave? Wave bye-bye to the camera. Matthew.
Huh?
Say bye.